Hello everyone! Today we are creating a 2-minute YouTube video about the verse of the day. Daily verse, Malachi 3:10. Bring the whole tithe into the storehouse, that there may be food in my house. Test me in this, says the Lord Almighty, and see if I will not throw open the floodgates of heaven and pour out so much blessing that there will not be room enough to store it. The wisdom of Malachi 3:10, a verse that echoes with the heart of God's generosity, a message that whispers of abundance and calls for a response of faithful giving. Here it is, bring the whole tithe into the storehouse, that there may be food in my house. Test me in this, says the Lord Almighty, and see if I will not throw open the floodgates of heaven and pour out so much blessing that there will not be room enough to store it. My child, let me speak to you with a heart filled with love and wisdom, like a gentle breeze carrying the scent of blessings. Imagine, my child, a loving father overflowing with love and care for his children. He desires nothing more than to provide for them, to shower them with blessings, to fill their lives with joy and abundance. But he invites them to participate, to share in his bounty, to express their love and gratitude in return. This, my child, is the heart of Malachi chapter 3 verse 10. God, our loving Father, is overflowing with blessings, ready to pour out his abundance upon us. He yearns for us to share our gifts with him, to trust in his promises, and to experience the joy of giving. He says, bring the whole tithe into the storehouse. But my child, it's more than just about tithes. It's about giving with a grateful heart, offering our time, our talents, our resources, our very selves in service to him. He invites us to test me in this, to step out in faith, trusting that he will honor our generosity and bless us beyond measure. He promises, I will throw open the floodgates of heaven and pour out so much blessing that there will not be room enough to store it. This isn't just a promise of material abundance, my child, but a promise of a life overflowing with his love, his peace, his guidance, and his presence. So, my child, let your heart be filled with the joy of giving. Trust in God's promises, step out in faith, and experience the overflowing blessings that come from a life of generosity.